Once upon a chilly December morning in a small town filled with snow-covered roof and twinkling lights, a little girl named Lena looked out her window. She saw her neighbors decorating their house, hanging glittering ornaments and putting up bright lights, but Lena's family did not have much money that year. Her mother smiled and said, Lena, we may not have new decoration, but we have something even better, imagination and heart. Lena titled her head, but Mama, how can imagination decorate a Christmas tree? Her mother chuckled and pointing to a box full of old plastic bottles. Let's give these bottles a new life this year. Our Christmas will be about recycling, turning trash into treasure. They started by cutting the bottom of big green bottle, layering them like a petal of a pine tree. Lena painted the edges with golden sparkle glue, and together they glue each layer into the shape of a tree. They placed a small star made from a bottle cap on top. When they added a tiny LED lights inside it, glowed beautifully. A magical eco tree bomb from what other threw away. That night the tree shimmered softly and Lena whispered, this is the most beautiful Christmas tree ever, Mama. The next day they made cut someone cut of white paint bottles. They draw smiling face with markers, use old fabric for scarves and teeny buttons for eyes. Lena even named them Frosty and Snowy when her friend visited. They were amazed. Wow, you made these yourself from bottle? They asked. Lena grinned proudly. Yes, nothing is waste if you have a creative heart. Then came Lena's favorite part, the hanging ornaments. She cut small round shapes from plastic bottles, painted them red, gold, and silver, and sprinkled glitter over them. Her mother helped punch holes and tied them with red jute thread. When the lights reflected through them, they sparkled like glass, but stronger and safer. Soon their little home was glowing with recycling beauty. Lena's mother told her every Christmas we celebrate love and kindness, but kindness is not just for people, it's for our plant and planet too. Recycling gives life again, just like Christmas give hope again. Lena nodded. She realized that the magic of Christmas was not about spending money, it was about creativity, care, love for the earth. That night, as snow gently fell outside, Lena placed a hand on her recycling Christmas tree and made a wish. I wish everyone would make something beautiful out of something old. The next morning, Lena and her mother made candle holder for tabletop from bottle. They wrapped them in jute rope, painted them white and gold, and placed small candles inside. When the candle flicked, the recycled bottle shimmered like gold halos of hope. The house felt warm, peaceful, and full of meaning. On Christmas, neighbor visited Lena home. Everyone was amazed by the decoration. Each piece had a story, a heart, a second life. One neighbor said your decoration look better than the ones in the store. Lena smiled because they are made with love and little recycling magic. As the night went on, color filled the air, children laughed, and the star twinkled above. Lena realized that Christmas is not about what you buy, it's about what you create, share, and save. So that year, the small recycling Christmas became the talk of the town, inspiring others to turn bottle into snowflakes, star, and trees. We hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel.